Now I'm going to ring and find him. Kia ora. It's Lil. He's on his way.
She's like an auntie to us.
Do you have a CV?
No, I don't yet.
I have definitely read more CVs than I have local newspapers. Separating chickens into crates. There's a lot more you must need to do. Yeah, so I've read over 100 CVs. Do you like driving?
Yes,
Yeah. I'm just starting to write your CV out. Kia ora, my name is Lillian Whitiora. We're here at Te Kōhao Health in Kirikiriroa. So you've got a good start to finding you that job. And I am the employment coordinator.
When I met Lillian, she was really enthusiastic and really helpful and really keen to put me into the work.
And I give them 100% commitment. You've got to show our whānau that you want to work side by side. So the industries that you might want to consider is careers, delivery, warehouse, production work. So whether it's building and civil construction or whether it's hospitality and tourism, we've got partners connected in those industries. Once they're all prepared in that area, pathway them out to our employers. This is a CV that will definitely need tidying up. The CV needs a bit of work on it, tender loving care. So to have a good CV, we want to make sure that we have our details. The highlight of a CV is the personal statement.
I am a team player who will help my colleagues.
It also tells me, as the person who's reading it, how committed he is.
I have exceptional customer service skills and I'm courtesy towards others and I'm a strong team member.
This CV is a 5. I did this CV myself with Desmond Whetini, who went from our office to the employer, handed it to him and was offered the job straight away. How perfect is that?
Quite often I would facilitate.
Achieving that primary goal to get mahi is going to help change themselves and their whānau. It's what I love to do. You're looking for a completely new change.
Yeah, probably a completely new change. I'm not too sure what I want.
It actually helps them to see inside themselves and to go, I am worth it.
I'll write the CV and then pass it by Lillian and see what she thinks.
Once they do get into employment, they are the happiest people. They are the happiest people in the world.
I definitely didn't want to be a benefit and wanted to earn my own way and my own wages, and it feels so much better that I have. Yes, definitely love my job.
That's what inspires me more, is to see that change in whānau. Perfect. Just what we need. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful.